Hello Internet, my name is Akash Patel and today we are going to learn Samir's secret siren scheme. So let's get started. First of all, we have to understand why Samir's secret siren scheme is required. For that, consider there is a one president who has three generals. They are in charge of nuclear missiles. Each general have a secret code. By using all three generals' secret code, military can generate special code, which is required to launch an attack. But what if one general is a spy? What if he will throw away his secret code? Then we cannot make special code to launch a missile attack. So it is necessary that at least two generals are required in order to launch the attack. This scheme is also known as K-N threshold scheme. Here N represents the shares which we want to generate and K represents the share which is required in order to generate that secret data. The goal here is to divide secret data D into N pieces D1, D2, D3, Dn in such a way that if we know K or more than K D pieces, then we can compute D easily, and if we know less than K D pieces, then we cannot compute data D. So for that, choose k-1 random coefficients a1, a2, a3 up to a k-1. Now consider first fx equation. Now if we substitute a0 by secret data s, which we want to divide into n shares, then we can get another fx equation which is shown on the screen. Now by putting just value of I from 1 to n, we can generate n shares which is points I, fi. Let's understand this using one example. Let's say our secret data is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now n is equal to 6 and k is 3. Now here the k is 3, so here we have to choose two random integers, that is a1 is equal to 166 and a2 is equal to 94. You can choose any two random integers. So according to the previous slide, if we create our fx equation, then fx is equal to 1234 plus 166 into x plus 94 into x square. Now just put the value of x from 1 to 6. That's where we can generate 6 shares, which is shown on the screen. Now this 6 shares is given to the 6 different persons, and if we have at least 3 shares, then we can generate this secret data s is equal to 1234. Now if we have sufficient number of shares in order to generate secret data key, so how we can generate that secret data? So for that, Lagrange's interpolation theorem is used. You can learn this theorem from any maths book or from Google. There are several applications of this scheme, but the main two application is shown on the screen. First is Yao's millionaire problem. In this problem, two millionaires wants to know who is richer, but they don't want to reveal their wealth. And the second problem is a set of parties with private input wishes to compute some joint function on their input. So thank you guys for watching. See you in another video.